Your trial balance doesn't balance. Don't panic. At Sepera College, this is one of the first skills we teach. Here's how it works. The totals should match. When they don't, the difference itself is your first clue. Write it down before you touch anything else. While you hunt for the cause, the difference goes into a temporary holding account called the Suspense account. It keeps the books moving. Some errors are easy. A one-sided posting means you debited without crediting. Post the missing half and Suspense shrinks. Transposed digits are sneaky. 540 becomes 450 and you're out by 90. Differences divisible by 9 hint at this. And some errors never touch Suspense at all. Right amount, wrong account. Only careful checking catches those. Every correction posts through a journal. Once the last error is fixed, the Suspense account clears to exactly 0. That's your proof. This is exactly what you'll practice on our AAT Level 2 course at Sepera College. Fully online, from anywhere. Park the difference in Suspense, hunt the errors, journal the fixes, and clear it to 0. That's error correction done properly. Sepera College offers accredited AAT courses taught fully online by real tutors, so you can study from anywhere with the link below.